In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset or adjust your Thinkorswim Paper Money balance. If you're practicing trading in paper money and want to start fresh, this process is quick and straightforward. Resetting the balance can be useful if you've placed several test trades, your account no longer reflects the setup you want to practice with, or you simply want to return to the default starting amount before continuing. To begin, open the Thinkorswim desktop platform and make sure you're logged in to paper money mode, not your live trading account. This is important because the reset option shown here applies to the simulated account environment. Once you're in, click on the Monitor tab. This section is where you can review account activity, open trades, and position details. From there, select Activity and Positions so you can access the account summary area where the reset controls are located. Next, look for the Position Statements section. In that area, click Adjust Account. This opens the account adjustment options for your paper money profile. From the available choices, select Reset All Balances and Positions. This is the option that fully resets the simulated account rather than making a small manual adjustment. It's the best choice if your goal is to wipe the account clean and return it to its starting state. After selecting that option, click Apply. You'll then see a warning message asking you to confirm the action. Go ahead and confirm it if you're sure you want to continue. Once confirmed, Thinkorswim will close all simulated positions in the paper money account, clear the account activity tied to those practice positions, and reset the balance back to the default amount, which is typically $100,000. This gives you a clean slate for testing strategies, practicing order entry, or rebuilding a simulated portfolio from scratch. Before you confirm, keep in mind that this action is intended to fully restart your paper money account. So if there are any open simulated trades or balances you still want to review, take a moment to check them first. And that's it. After the reset is complete, you can continue using paper money with a refreshed account balance and no open simulated positions. This is one of the easiest ways to restart your trading practice environment and keep your testing organized.